I'm Michael Marmot. I'm director of the Institute of Health Equity at University College London. I'm not going to talk about healthcare at the conference. Healthcare is absolutely vital, but I want to put it into the context of what makes people ill in the first place. We said at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic that it would reveal the underlying inequalities in society and amplify them. And so it has proved. The inequalities in mortality from COVID-19 look very similar indeed to the inequalities in health more generally. And the effect of lockdown has exaggerated social and economic inequalities. As we emerge from the pandemic, we have to ask ourselves, what kind of societies do we want to rebuild? Certainly, speaking for the UK, the status quo before the pandemic was not desirable. And that's why I called my report and my lecture, Build Back Fairer. We want to create more socially just societies, and that will guarantee better health and greater equity in health. Come to the conference and you will hear this perspective, as well, of course, advances in your discipline.